students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel, School Studies. In this channel you will get daily one video related to different subjects such as English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics and science, which will help you to understand and learn more. Today we will see a video related to mathematics subject. In that today's topic is NCERT solution for class 7, chapter 8, comparing quantities. Today we will solve exercise 8.2 of the textbook. So let's solve the exercise. That first question is, convert the given fractional numbers to percentage. So the number is 1 upon 8. In order to convert a fraction into a percentage, multiply the fraction by 100 and put the percentage sign. So 1 upon 8 into 100%. That is 100 into 8%. So 100 upon 8 is 12.5%. 5 upon 4. So 5 upon 4 into 100%. That is 5 into 100 is 500. So 500 upon 4%. That is 125%. 3 upon 40. So 3 upon 40 into 100%. 3 into 100, that is 300 upon 40. So 300 upon 40%. So 30 upon 4%. That is 7.5%. 2 upon 7. 2 upon 7 into 100%. That is 2 upon 100. 2 into 100 is 200 upon 7%. That is 28 and 4 upon 7%. 0.65. 0.65. First we will remove the decimal point. So that is 65 upon 100. Now we will multiply with 100. So 65 upon 100 into 100. That is 65%. 2.1. So first we will remove the decimal point, that is 21 upon 10. Now we will multiply with 100 and put the percentage sign. So 21 upon 10 into 100, that is 210%. 0.02. So remove the decimal point first. So that is 2 upon 100. Now we will multiply with 100. So 2 upon 100 into 100, that is 2%. 12.35. Remove the decimal first. So that is 1035 upon 100. Now we will multiply with 100. So it is 1235 upon 100 into 100. That is 1235%. Third question. Estimate what part of the figures is colored and hence find the percentage which is colored. So by observing the given figure, we can able to identify that one part is shaded out of 4 equal parts. It is represented by fraction 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4 into 100. It is 100 upon 4. That is 25%. So hence the 25% of figure is colored. By observing the figure, we can able to identify that 3 parts is shaded out of 5 equal parts. It is represented by a fraction 3 upon 5. So 3 upon 5 into 100. That is 3 into 100, 300 upon 5. So that is 60%. Hence 60% of the figure is colored. By observing the given figure, we can able to identify that 3 parts is shaded out of 8 equal parts. It is represented by a fraction 3 upon 8. So 3 upon 8 into 100. 3 into 100, that is 300 upon 8. So 37.5%. Hence 37.5% of figure is colored. Fourth question, we have to find 15% of 250. 15%. So we will remove percentage sign and put 100. So 15 upon 100 into 250. That is 0 will cut. So 15 upon 10 into 25. So we can cut this 10 and 25 also with 5. So it is 2 and 5. So 15 upon 2 into 5. 5 into 15 is 75 upon 2. That is 37.5. 1% of 1 hour. We know that 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So 1% of 60 minutes. 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. 60 minutes equals to 60 into 60, that is 3600 seconds. Now 3% of 3600 seconds. So 1 upon 100 into 3600. 0 will cut. So 1 into 36, that is 36 second. 20% of rupees 2500. 20 upon 100 into 2500. 0 will cut. So 20 into 25, that is rupees 500. 75% of 1 kg. We know that 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. So 75% of 1000 gram. So 75 upon 100 into 1000, that is 75 into 10. So 750 gram. Fifth question, find the whole quantity if 5% of it is 600. Let us assume the whole quantity be x. So 5 upon 100 into x equals to 600. We will bring this 5 upon 100 to the with 600. So this 5 upon 100 will reverse. So 100 upon 5. 600 into 100 is 60,000 upon 5. That is x equals to 12,000. 12% of it is rupees 1080. So let us assume the whole quantity be x. So 12 upon 100 into x equals to 1080. We will bring this 12 upon 100 this side. So it will reverse. So 100 into 100 upon 12. So 1080 into 100 upon 12. 12 and 1080 can cut with 2. So it is 540 into 100 upon 6. Again 6 and 540 can cut with 3. With 6 we can cut. So it is 90 into 100. So x equals to rupees 9000. 40% of it is 500 k kilometer. So let us assume the whole quantity be x. So 40 upon 100 into x equals to 500. So 500 into 100 upon 40. That is 500 into 10 upon 4. So 500 into 2.5. That is 1250 kilometer. 70% of it is 14 minutes. So let us assume the whole quantity be x. 70 upon 100 into x equals to 14. So 14 into 100 upon 70. 14 into 10 upon 7. That is 20 minutes. 8% of it is 40 liters. So let us assume whole quantity be x. So 8 upon 100 into x equals to 40. So 40 into 100 upon 8. 40 into 100 upon 8, that is 40 into 12.5. That is 500 liters. So x equals to 500 liters. Sixth question, convert given percent to decimal fraction and also fraction in simplest form. So 25%, first we will convert into fraction, then put the fraction into decimal form. So 25% equals to 25 upon 100. 25 and 100 can be cut with 25, so that is 1 upon 4. And in decimal, if we want to put, so it is 0.25. 150%, so 150 upon 100, that is 3 upon 2, so it is 1.5. 20%, 20 upon 100, that is 1 upon 5, equals to 0.2. 5%, so 5 upon 100, 1 upon 20, that is 0.05. Seventh question, in a city 30% are female, 40% are male and remaining are children. What percent are children? From the question it is given that percentage of female in the city is 30%, percentage of male in a city is 40%. So total percentage of male and female both are 40 plus 30, that is 70%. Now we have to find the percentage of children, that is 100 minus 70 is 30. So 30% are children. Eighth question, out of 15,000 voters in a consecutive 60% voted. Find the percentage of voters who did not vote. Can you now find how many actually did not vote? So number of voters is 15,000. Percentage of people who have voted in the election 60%. So the percentage of people who not voted is 600 minus 60, that is 40%. So total number of voters who did not voted in the election is 40% of 15,000. So 40 into 100, 40 upon 100 into 15,000, that is 0.4 into 15,000, that is 6,000 voters did not vote. Ninth question, Meeta saves rupees 4,000 from her salary. If this is 10% of her salary, what is her salary? So assume Meeta's salary be X. So 10% of rupees X equals to rupees 4,000. So 10 upon 100 into X equals to 4,000. So X equals to 4,000 into 100 upon 10. That is X equals to 4,000 into 10. X equals to rupees 40,000. So Meeta's salary is rupees 40,000. 10th question, a local cricket team played 20 matches in one season. It won 25% of them. How many matches did they win? So total matches played by local team is 20. Percentage of matches won by them is 25%. So 25% of 20, that is 25 upon 100 into 20. So 25 upon 5. So 5 matches. So the local team won 5 matches out of 20 matches. So this was exercise 8.2 of chapter 8 class 7. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in a comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.